Good morning, children. Welcome to my class mathematics session. Children, now I'm going to start my class. Now I'll start with the thought. So today's thought is change your thoughts and you will change your world. I repeat, change your thoughts and you will change your world. So with this positive thought, let's start our class. Now today I am going to deal with brain teaser. Question number 1. Take the correct answer. This is the brain teaser of unit number 2. Take the correct answer. A. The sum of the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number is. A. Again I am repeating. The sum of the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number is. Options are: first, 10,99,999. Second option, 1,09,999. Third option, 90,000. Fourth option, 19,999. So let's do the sum. The sum of greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. And the greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. Now let's add it. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 and 1. So the correct answer is 1,09,999, and the second option is having 1,09,999. So this is the correct answer. Now come to question number B. 9,999 is divided by 99. So is what? So options are: first 11, second 101, third 99 and fourth 110. So let's divide 9,999 by 99. So start with 1, 99 ones are 99, 0 and 0. Now put down 9, 9 is a smaller, multiply with 0. 99 zeros are 0, 9 minus 0 is 9. Now I will put down this 9, 99. 99 ones are 99, 9 minus 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0. So 101. Then the second option is having 101, and the 101 is the correct answer. Now come to C. The digit in the ones place of the product of 783 and 896 is. So you have to find the product, children, and then digit in the ones place. It will be, you have to find out what is the digit in the ones place of the product of 783 and 896. So let's start. 783 is a multiplicand and 896 is the multiplier. So I will start the multiplying from the extreme smallest place value digit, that is 6. I will start multiplying with the 6 one is multiplied with 783. So let's start. 6 threes are 18. So 8 will be at the ones place. So third option is 8, and the third option 8 is the correct answer. Now come to D. The digits in the hundreds place of the difference of 53,883 and 41,834 is. Digit in the hundreds place of the difference of 53,883 and 41,834 is. The digit in the hundreds place of the difference of 53,883 and 41,834 is. Let's start to do the subtraction from the extreme ones place. So 3 minus 4, it is not possible. I will borrow from the tens place and 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 4, it is 9. Now come to the tens place, 8 will become 7. So 7 minus 3, it is 7 minus 3 is 4. Now come to hundreds place, 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8, it is 0. So third option, 0 is the correct answer. Now come to E. Tens digit in the sum of 13,846, 62,381 and 57,402. So let's find the sum of these digits, and the tens digit I have to find out. Now let's start from the ones place. 2, 1 and 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2 is 9. Let's come to the tens place. 0, 8 and 4. So 8 tens plus 0 tens plus 4 tens is 12. So 2 is the tens, will be at the tens place. So tens digit is 2. So here, our first option, 2 is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. So our first option is correct. Now come to question number 2. Replace this square by the correct digit. So what which number will be inserted in this square? Let's find out. A. This is this algebraic expression is addition. So we have to do the addition. So let's start. 382 dash 67 plus 6 dash 48 dash 6 plus dash 8 dash 56 dash equal to dash 1969968. Sum is dash 969968. So let's start from the extreme right side, that is the smallest place value, that is ones. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 is we will take 3. So subtract 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So I will insert here 5. Now 1 is carryover. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 8. 1 will be taken as a carryover. Now let's start. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So from 13 again I will take 3. So here it is in the sum, it is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So here this vacant square will be filled by 3. Now add it. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16, 1 will be gone as a, it is taken as a carryover in the 100 place. Now let's start. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So I will take 4 from this ones place and subtract 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So I will insert 5 in this square. So now let's again add it. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 9. 1 will go as a carryover in the, this is 1000 place. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. And here it is 9. So I will subtract 7 from 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now come to the next place value, that is 10,000 place value. 8 dash 8. 8 plus dash plus 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So I will take 6 from the 16 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So here it is 0. Again I am adding it. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6. 1 carryover. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 here it is 9. So from 10 I will take 0. So 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. So here it will be 9. Now let's add it. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9, and here the vacant square will be filled by 1. So in the, this is the question number 2A. Now children, come to question number 2B. This is a subtraction. Here this subtraction operation is there. This one is a minuend, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. So we have to fill up these vacant squares with the appropriate number, and we have to do a subtraction operation. Now let's start from the extreme right side, that is from lowest place ones. So 4 minus 5, not possible. So I will borrow 10 from this place, tens place. So 4 ones will become 14 1. Right? Now 14 minus 5, 9. Now second, here this is minuend. In order to fill up this minuend, we have to add this subtrahend and the difference. So firstly, let's add the subtrahend difference of the ones place. 5 plus 9, 14. 4, 1 carryover. So this adding 1 carryover in tens place, 1 carryover, 110 plus 110 and plus 0 10. It is 2 tens. Right. Now come to this hundreds place. So here minuend is 8, subtrahend is vacant, and the difference is 2. So in order to find this, we have to subtract 8 minus 2. This is 6. Correct? Now come to this place, thousand place. It is 0 minus 2. Is it possible? No. So I will borrow 110 from this 10,000. So 0 will become 10. Right? Now let's subtraction from 10 we will subtract 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Right. Now in order to find, this is again minuend we have to find. So in order to find minuend we have to add subtrahend and the difference. Right. Now let's add subtrahend difference of the previous place value, that is 1000 place value. 2000 plus 8000 is 10,000. So 0 1 carry over. Right. Now adding this 1, 10,000 plus 4 10,000, 5 10,000 plus 5 10,000 is 10 10,000. So 0 will be here and 1 carryover will be written here. So here now again come to the point, we have to do subtraction operation. So 0 will become 10. I will borrow from this place value, that is lakh. So this 4 lakh will reduce to 3 lakh. Now it is the proper 10 minus 5. Okay, now all of you see this 4, this 10 minus 5, but I have to give this 10 to this one. So this 10 will reduce to 9 because 110 has gone to this 1000 place. So 10 will reduce to 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Right. Now here again 10 is borrowed from this place. So it is 3 minus 8. So 3 minus 8 is not possible. So 3 will become 13 and 9 will become 8. So 13 minus 8 is 5 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Correct? Now here come to the next question. Find the product. We have to find out product of these two numbers. 9,80,406 is multiplied by 708. Let's write down this. Firstly multiplicand. This is multiplicand, this is multiplier. So I will write down the multiplicand. 9,80,406 and then multiplier 708 we will multiply. Start from the ones. 9,80,406 is multiplied by 8 ones. So 8 6 is 48, 8 4 carry over, 8 0 is 0 plus 4, 8 4 is 32, 2 3 carry over, 8 0 is 0 plus 3 3, 8 8 is 64, 4 6 carry over, 8 9 is 72 plus 6 78. Now it is 0 tens. So 0 tens, when a number is multiplied by 0 then product is 0. So 0 is multiplied by 9,80,406. So the product is 0. Now come to the 100 place, 700. So according to the rule of the product with the number having the 0. So since 7 is having the 2 0, I will put down the 2 0 towards the right side of the product of 9,80,406 and 7. So let's start the product of 7. 7 6 is 42, 2 4 carry over, 7 0 is 0 plus 4. 7 4 is 28, 8 2 carry over, 7 0 is 0 plus 2 2. 7 8 is 56, 6 5 carry over, 7 9 is 63 plus 5 68. Now last step is addition. We start from the ones place value. 8 ones plus 0 ones plus 0 ones 8 ones, 4 plus 0 plus 0 4, 2 plus 0 plus 2 4, 3 plus 0 plus 4 7, 4 plus 8 plus 0 is 12, 2 1 carry over, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 1 carry over, 7 plus 1 8 plus 6 4 14, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1 9 and 6. So here the product is 69 crore 41 lakh 27,448. This is the answer. Now let us do another product, that is 5,67,894 is multiplied by 625. So I will write down 5,67,894 is multiplied by 625. Put the product sign. Let's start the multiplication. 5 fours are 20, start from the ones. 5 fours are 20, 0, 2 carry over, 5 nines are 40, 5 plus 2, 47, 4 carry over, 5 eights are 40 plus 4, 44, 4 carry over, 5 sevens are 35 plus 4, 39, 3 carry over, 5 6 are 30 plus 3, 33, 3 carry over, 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28. Now comes to 2 tens. When 2 tens is multiplied with 5,67,894, so according to the rule of this multiplication, 110, 210 is having 1 0. So 1 0 will be added to the right side of the product. Now let's start the product. 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18, 8, 1 carry over, 2 eights are 16 plus 1, 17, 6 sevens are 42, 2 eights are 16 plus 1, 17, 1 carry over, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry over, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry over, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. Now come to the 600 multiply. 600 is having 2 zeros, so I put down 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Now start the product. 6 fours are 24, 4, 2 carry over, 6 nines are 54 plus 2, 56, 5 carry over, 6 8s are 48 plus 5, 49, 50, 51, 50, 53. 53 again 5 carry over, 6 sevens are 42 plus 5, 47, 4 carry over, 6 is a 36 plus 4, 40, 0, 4 carry over, 6 5s are 30 plus 4, 34. So let's add it. Everyone will be, each product will be added. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 carry over, 4 4 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 6, 23, 2 carry over, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 4 plus 1, 5 and 3. So here the product is 35 crore 49 lakh 33,750. Now come to the question number 4. Divide A. 99 lakh 99,999 is divided by 9,999. So let's, this 9,999 is the divisor and dividend is 99 lakh 99,999. Let's start to divide from the extreme left side. 4 digits are there in divisor, 1 2 3 4. So I will take 4 digits from the left side, 1 from left to right, 1 2 3 4. Now 9,999 ones are 9,999. We do the subtraction. 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 1 0. Now I put down this 9. So this 9 is less than 9,999. So I will put a 0 and multiply with 0. Then it will be become 9 minus 0 is 9. Now again I will put down this 9. Again this 9,999 is more than 99. So I will multiply with 0. So it will be 0. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now again I will put down this 9. Again this 999 is less than 9,999. So I will multiply with 0. So it will be 0 0 0 minus 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9. So here quotient is 1000 and remainder is 999. Now children, another one is B. It is 6,85,432 is divided by 234. So let's start writing. I am writing firstly divisor and then put this the division form and writing this dividend 6,85,432. Let's start with the table number. 234 multiplied by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. Now subtract. 5 minus 8 not possible, so I will borrow from this one to 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now I put down this 4. So I will multiply by 9. 9 fours are 36, 6, 3. 9 threes are 27, 20, 29, 30, 0, 3 carry over, 9 to 18, 90, 20, 21. So now subtract it. 4 minus 6, 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8, and 7 will be reduced to 1, 6. It is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now I put down this 3 here. Now multiply with 2. 234 2s are 468. Now do the subtraction. Now 3 minus 8, 13 minus 8. It will become 5, and this will become 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now I put down this 2 and then multiply with 9. 9 it is 234 9s are 2106. Now do the subtraction. 2 minus 6. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 will become 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here quotient is 2929. And the remainder is 46. So this is the answer. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.